If you're watching this vid, it's cause you already know you can add some dope channels to your Roku device that ain't in the Roku store. Maybe cause they're off-airing free content, or just cause they don't wanna make them available in your hood. But before you go installing any apps, you gotta learn how to kick it into developer mode, and that's what this video's all about. I'm gonna show you how to do it in less than 3 minutes, so let's roll. For this tutorial, you're gonna need the official Roku remote. Heads up, it ain't gonna work with the mobile app or any knockoff remotes. First, hit up the home screen, and now it's time to flex those gamer skills like you're back at the arcade. Grab your remote and punch in the following: home, 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 up, up, right, left, right, left, right. Alright, cool it. I'll break it down slower. First, you gotta press home 3 times. That's the house button. Then get on the direction pad, press up twice, followed by right, left, right, left, right. Doing all that, you're gonna see a screen pop up like this. It'll show an IP address and a username. Jot them down cause you'll need them later. Next, select the option Enable Installer and restart by hitting the OK button on your remote. I'll point it out with an arrow, just in case. Then you'll be asked if you accept the license agreement, where you gotta choose I agree. After that, the assistant will ask for a password for the development server. Make it something simple so you won't forget it. And if you're like me, not trusting your memory, slap it in a note, cause the password along with the IP address and username are key for the channel install process. You're gonna need them, trust me. I'll be showing you soon how to install some channels I dug with 100% free and live content. That's why I taught you how to enter developer mode today, cause you gotta have it activated to install them. If you dug the video, smash that like button and subscribe to my channel. Catch you later, baby.